Come on. Hey, come on.
I'm gonna kill you, Eva.
Uh-oh.
You see that floor? You see that crunching? Are we gonna be happy when you have to pick that up?